Hi!
Okay, so when we go diving, we have one small problem. We cannot breathe underwater.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to bring a little bit air with us. These tanks can be different sizes. There are 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 18. So much air, how much you need it, so much air you can take it with you. Here inside is air. This air that you are breathing in this moment. Okay, it's compressed air, this one that you are breathing. It's no oxygen, it's no other gases, it's just normal air.
C'est ce qu'on respire, c'est normal air.
This air is going here through this and it's coming in this part. This is the first stage, and this change this bar, this pressure inside and some middle pressure. How much is it? It's really not important. It's some middle pressure, it's somewhere between 8 and 11 bar. Okay? So the air is going here and then goes into this one. This is the second stage, or this is the regulator. This goes into your mouth and then you can breathe. It's made so that cannot happen that the air is not coming. The air will always come. When it's something broken, you release air out, but the air is coming.
Okay.
Okay? So you will take how much air you take. How much air you take, so much air will come. If you take a lot, it will come a lot. If you take
A little, you have a
bit,
little.
it just come a little bit. Okay?
Okay.
Then we have this one. It's the same thing, it's only yellow.
Okay.
This is octopus, this is spare one. If you stay without air, or I stay without air, that I can share with you. That we can share it. Now, this is not something that will happen today.
No.
So this is something that it's possible to do.
My
during
video
the
for
dive.
YouTube, it's more funny if this happening.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, I joke.
Okay, so then we have this one. This is gauge, and it shows you how much pressure you have inside of the tank.
Okay.
When it's completely full, it's 200.
Okay.
You will have 200 bar.
Okay.
Here it's a little bit less, but you don't need it
Okay.
anymore. Okay, and then you have this one. This is hose, inflator hose. This is inflator, and this small part here we call BCD, buoyancy control device. But this is just the jacket.
Okay.
So with the red button, you feel the
For
jacket
inflate and you go
up, and you go up. With the gray button, you press, and the air goes out, and you sink down. How are you
Okay.
going to the surface, or you stay down, or you float in the middle?
Okay.
Great. First you will put your fins on. We will help you. You will put your fins on. You will breathe a little bit, and then you will go in the deeper water. So you will breathe normal. Okay. Everything is okay. Then we will say we cannot talk underwater. So I can ask you, are you okay? This is question, and this is the answer. Are you okay? If you are okay, this is not the answer. You need to show me. No. Show
like that.
me. That the mask is
Water.
leaking.
Yeah.
So we will do 2 exercises. We are trying that you have something from this. That you tried. That it's not that we catch you, we bring you in the water, we bring you out, and you didn't do anything. We try that you make everything by yourself. We are here to help you. Okay? So we will, on the safe side, that we take care about you. If you don't do something, we will help you, we will do it for you.
Okay.
So you don't need to worry. Also, this depth that we are doing it's that nothing can happen. That in any moment you can come to the surface and you can come down, and it's no problem. So this is the first exercise. You will try. You don't put the water in. You just press, breathe out, and that's it. Okay.
Okay.
The second exercise is with the regulator. It can happen that you lose your regulator underwater. So you need to find it back and you put it back in the mouth. It's absolutely not a problem. So this is like a big snorkel. We'll say, okay, we will go a little bit in the deeper water, but because the water is squeezing us, we need to equalize the pressure. So when you equalize the pressure, you need to close your nose and breathe out through the nose. So, and then you will equalize the pressure in your ears, and then you will dive a little bit and return back here. Okay?
Let's go party.
Let's go party.
Yeah.